Hi, I'm Kang here, Final Country Estate Agents in Derbyshire. Hope you're well. Today, I've got an absolutely special treat for you. It's one of my favourite houses I've ever been to. We're on the Florence Nightingale estate in Lee Shore in Matlock, looking at this gorgeous, stunning property behind me here called the Coach House. Now, the Coach House is an absolutely spectacular 6-bedroom detached property. You've got a double garage, you've got an office, you've got a wine cellar, and it's absolutely spectacular inside. But outside, it's just as beautiful. You've got fabulous gardens, you've got a greenhouse, you've got a swimming pool, a secret garden down at the bottom, with fantastic views and protected parkland here. So nothing will ever stop this view. And today we're lucky enough to have a look around. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, well, thank you very much for watching this video. I'm sure you'll agree, an absolute stunning property inside and out. This is truly a turnkey property, and very much a lock up and leave. So we're about 10-15 minutes away from Matlock here. The train station just down the bottom of the hill, that can get you into London in less than 2 hours. So yeah, if you'd like to learn more about this property or arrange a viewing so you can enjoy this view every minute of every day, give me a call or drop me an email on the details back to you on the screen, and hopefully I'll speak to you soon.